Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and today we're going to be talking about the one and only Nervos Network, CKB. So let's get into this. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you guys haven't already, smash that like button. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe if you enjoy these videos to boot. Now, we do have some interesting developments with CKB. Right now, I just think that price action is too far away from this Ichimoku cloud. So I do think that this April 29th time sequence quite possibly could be the start of some sort of reversal date. Now, we are seeing that there is this glorious bull pennant that had formed, and it could still be a bull pennant, but I'm disappointed that price action has dipped below this trend line here. So this is kind of important for us to look at and just try to figure out what exactly is going on. So April 29th, we might have some sort of a reversal on CKB. And when we look at this, I'm just trying to get a good glimpse of this price action here. You know, it almost appears that there may even be some sort of falling wedge right into this this time sequence, which is going to look a little bit different because we're looking at this on the 1 hour chart versus the daily. So let's really dial this thing in. So when we start to look at time sequence and the current wedge, it's pointing right to this time sequence. So it wouldn't surprise me to see CKB maybe wander back down to this 0.009-ish levels. The other thing is, this seems to be an extremely solid support level in this area, but this is as low as we've gotten in quite some time. Let's just take a quick peek at the 4 hour. And you can see that the last time CKB really got hammered was back in July of 2021. So hopefully we get a nice little increase in price like this or some sort of bounce. It could be that we are just going to see some sort of descending triangle form, something like this in the future. But I do think that as of right now, keep your eyes peeled for, let's just go back down to this 1 hour chart. I'm going to go ahead and look back at this time sequence. Okay, everything looks good. Let's look at this time frame. So keep your eyes peeled for April 28th at noon Central Time, folks. This is going to be, what is today? Wednesday? So this is going to be Thursday, April 28th, noon. Watch for a potential reversal or increase in volatility for CKB. Really, we are going to check back on CKB here in just a second after we look at Bitcoin, because this is very important what I'm about to tell you here. With Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin might in fact be making this corrective wave down to this 37,100-ish, somewhere in there. It wouldn't surprise me to see this corrective wave happen. And I do think that right now Bitcoin is kind of really trading nicely within this channel. So if it does come down to the $37,000-ish level, you know, we're going to want to see this thing bounce back up to this 48,000 and continue on making this ascending triangle. This is what I am hoping for, folks. Really, this could be huge if this does happen. It really seems like Bitcoin, we are seeing the lows continue to get higher. So hopefully this trend continues, and maybe by August, you know, somewhere in there, we will have prices ready to roll. So really, folks, I am still bullish on the markets. I'm still bullish on CKB. As long as we really don't see Bitcoin travel back down to these 29,000s, or really even less than 34.5 or 37.3, you know, I'd like to see these lows continue to get higher. So it just is what it is, folks. We're just going to have to check back on CKB regularly. That's why you got to subscribe, like the video. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Thanks. You guys are great. Love each and every single one of you guys. And if you're interested in becoming a Patreon, $3 a month to get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. We'll see you guys all on the next video.